Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Valit, and today we will be talking about database as well as database management. A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily assessed, managed, and then updated. Along with databases, it is very important that we know what a database management system is as well. A database management system, also known as DBMS, is a computer software application that interacts with the user, other applications, and the database itself to capture and then analyze the data. Access to databases is usually provided by a DBMS that allows users to interact with one or more databases and provides access to all the data contained in that database. There are many different database management systems, including MySQL, MongoDB, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, Sybase, SAP HANA, and IBM DB2. While a database is not typically portable across multiple database management systems, different database management systems can interoperate by using a specific standard, including SQL and ODBC, to allow a single application to work with more than one database management system. General purpose DBMs try to meet the needs of as many applications as possible. So some of these include Oracle and DB2. This is often thought to be the most effective approach because there's a large number of users. The different types of database management systems and models are the hierarchical databases, network databases, relational databases, and object-oriented databases. In a hierarchical database, records information and then organizes it in a tree-like structure. The data is stored as records, which are then connected to one another through the links shown in this graph. The hierarchical database model mandates that each child record has only one parent, and each parent record can have more than one child record. But to retrieve data from a hierarchical database, the whole tree needs to be traversed, starting from the root. This model was the first recognized database model, and it was created by IBM in the 1960s. Hierarchical models are the oldest models in a database. It definitely has advantages and some disadvantages as well. Hierarchical databases can be assessed and updated rapidly because the records are defined in advance. The disadvantage is that each child in the structure can only have one parent. Also, they are so structured that adding a new field or record requires that the entire database is redefined. The network model is a database model made in a flexible way of representing objects and their relationships. They are used on large digital computers usually. It is more connected and more connections can be made between different types of data. They are considered more efficient. Network databases also have a hierarchical structure. This structure looks more like a cobweb than the last one. In this structure, a child can have more than one parent. Hierarchical and network databases require the user to pass a hierarchy in order to access needed data. Relational databases connect to the data in different files by using comma data numbers or a key field. In these databases, data is stored in different access control tables. Each control table has a key field that identifies each row. These databases are generally more reliable. They can also be used with little or no training, which is very nice. Database entries can also be modified without editing the entire body, unlike the hierarchical that we looked at before. An object-oriented databases are databases in which information is represented in the form of objects. This differs from relational databases, which are tables. These databases allow object-oriented programmers to develop a product, store them as objects, and replicate or modify existing objects to make new objects within that database. There are also some disadvantages to using object-oriented databases. Object-oriented databases can be much more expensive to develop than other databases. This leads to most companies not being willing to quit using their other databases to convert to object-oriented databases. This is usually because they already have spent time and money implementing the other databases and don't want that to go to waste. Oracle Corporation is a company that specializes in developing and marketing database software and technology, as well as cloud engineering systems and enterprise software, which we actually looked at in a previous video that I made. They also develop and build tools for database development. The Oracle database is an object relational database management system. Database management has numerous advantages. They help create an environment in which users have better access to more and better managed data. They also provide things like improved data security and better data integration. They promote an integrated view of the organization's operations and a much clearer view of the big picture of things overall. They also minimize data inconsistency as well. Better managed data and improved data access also helps with better quality information to be generated, which helps for better decision making in the long run. Lastly, database management empowers end users to make quick and informed decisions. Despite there being a plethora of advantages to database management system, as many things, there are also some disadvantages as well. These can include increased costs of maintaining the hardware, software, and personnel required to operate and manage a database system. Management complexity can also cause problems as well. The database system holds crucial company data that can be accessed from multiple sources, so security issues must be assessed constantly. You must keep your system as current as possible. Therefore, there are frequent updates, and the latest security measures must be applied to all components all the time. In conclusion, there are various forms of database management and many companies that work on making and updating these databases. The benefits of the database systems far outweigh the disadvantages, and they create many new opportunities, and most importantly, improve data access and organization.